I'm actually very excited because yung pag-uusapan natin ay isang legit na platform na pwede nating lapitan if we need credit or if we need to build credit. Take note na sinabi ko yun, guys. And I'm talking about none other than Maya na black na credit card, which came after yung Landers na credit card. Anyways, medyo huli na ako sa balita and I posted it on my Facebook page and I seem to have gotten mixed emotions or mixed reactions. May iba, hindi po masaya na yung hindi pasado, hihingi si Maya ng 20K na deposit. Ginawa ko yung video na to because I want to show you a couple of things na hoping ma-convince ko kayo why you should give this a try. So if you want to learn more about Maya Credit or what I have to say about it, then keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red, your original utang queen. Kung kayo ay naghahanap ng unbiased, legit reviews ng mga pautangan online, legit and whatnot, I'm your go-to person, guys. I'm very excited today because legit po yung pag-uusapan natin because Maya is a bank that's regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and it offers different products at kasama na to yung pautang niya, yung personal loan, yung Maya Credit, and meron na rin siyang credit card. O, di ba, bongga? Bago tayo magpatuloy, this video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. Sarili ko pong Maya account to at hindi po ako binayaran ni Maya para gawin yung vlog na to. I have experience sa credit card na hopefully makatulong po sa inyo, ma-enlighten kayo kung meron kayong negative feelings about this. Well, we're here to learn. Matagal-tagal na itong si Maya Black na credit card. I was having doubts na applyan to because hindi ako nakapasa sa personal loan. To be honest, wala na rin sigurong pag-asa magkaroon ako ng Landers na credit card, which doesn't really bother me. So I had a chance to check, promising siya at well, kailangan ko mag-deposit. And may mga iba sa inyo hindi happy dito sa mga hindi na-approve sa regular na credit card na side of this black credit card ni Maya. Lumalabas siyang secured credit card. But hey, wait lang. Bago kayo mag-react negatively, patuloy na lang tayo sa video na to. Hopefully, hindi nyo kailangang mag-deposit. So, punta kayo sa cards tab. Get Maya Black. I-click mo lang yan. Earn miles instantly. 1 mile for every 40 pesos spent. That's the beauty of having a credit card. May perks, may rewards. Multiply your miles, global travel perks, and other features include spend your miles instantly, no annual fees or instant application and approval. But wait, may but yan. Let's get to that later. Ultimate security and control. Get cash advance. So para na rin siyang, you know, the typical credit card offered by other banks. Yung fees and charges niya, well, walang annual fee, which is a plus. Yung finance charge niya is 3% per month. I know some banks offer less than that, but 3% is not bad. Cash advance, 200 per transaction, which is normal. Foreign currency transaction, 2%. It's not the best, but it's not bad. And then late payment fee of 1,000, kaya huwag tayo pa late. And over limit charge na 750. If you want to get started, i-click mo lang yung apply. You only need a fully upgraded Maya account to proceed with your Maya Black credit card application. Upgrading your Maya account is free and requires only 1 or 2 valid IDs. So I did that before. Yun na natin pag-usapan. Anyway, may prompts po si Maya on how to upgrade your account. Magsasubmit ka lang ng ID and in a couple of minutes or hours or maybe 24 hours, upgrade na yung account mo, which unlocks other features. Isa na dito yung credit card. To be eligible, you need to be 21 and 60, between 21 and 65. You should have a monthly income and own an upgraded Maya account. Apply na. Okay. So meron siyang data privacy. Probably familiar with this already. So just scroll down and then click continue and then yun, tell us about yourself. So verify mo lang. Just double check na tama po yung information mo na andyan. You basically just need to make sure that your email, female, these information, nandun na yan guys eh. Kasi, especially if na-upgrade mo yung Maya account mo, these are the same information na andun. But just update if you need to. Fill in the blanks. Make sure na walang wrong spelling. Just click next. Just double check the other information. And yung TIN is optional, but I think it's a plus if you have a TIN. Alternative contact number is also optional. Click next if you want to continue and add your work details. So, ilalagay mo yung nature of your work and monthly take-home pay. And sinabi ko dito that I am self-employed. Card holder name, merong 3 choices. It's up to you. And then just click next. Monthly cut-off, ikaw rin yung magpipili, but take note that we'll add up your card transactions until this date each month. Your statement will be sent the next day. Payment is due 20 days after you receive the statement. So, para na rin siyang normal credit card na offered by banks. And then, pag nakapili ka na, click next. It's up to you na. It's gonna stay the same every month. Ayun, and then billing address, just make sure you type the right information. Scroll down, do the delivery address, click save. You'll be given the chance to double check na tama yung mga entries mo. Just carefully go over it, make sure na tama, and then scroll down, and then just click submit. After a few minutes, lumabas na yung ayaw ng karamihan. Yung parang good news and bad news. But wait, give me a chance. Express my thoughts on this. Baka makonvince ko kayo to go for it.
We're ready to give you a credit card. Open a security deposit account. Open a security deposit account with at least 20,000 to secure your Maya Black credit card. Build your credit score and work towards an upgrade with higher limit and no deposit required.
Humihingi siya ng minimum na 20,000 pesos. It's the same idea with a secured credit card. And I'm telling you guys, kung ayaw nyo tapusin yung video na to, this one's the easiest to get. 80% yan, which is 16,000 pesos. You'll get more if you deposit more. Basta 80% of your security deposit or your holdout deposit, yun yung magagamit mo as a revolving, yung credit limit mo bale. So just click continue if you want to do it, or I'll do it later. We may review your limit as you continue to use your card. To help increase your limit, here's what you can do. Increase your deposit. I know, hesitant kayo dyan. Tapusin nyo na lang yung video na to. Use your card regularly and pay on time. Keep your credit utilization low. Huwag nyo i-max out, guys. It's going to be different from your wallet, Maya wallet, and your Maya savings account. So, tatanong nyo saan niya kukunin kasi hindi mo pwedeng galawin yung 20,000 yan kasi yun nga, hold out deposit. Para siyang quote-unquote collateral for those of you who are, in the world of OLA. Para siyang collateral or security na in case hindi ka makabayad, meron kang pang tapal. But we don't want to get there. We don't want to reach that point, guys, because here, we want to take care of our credit history kasi nagbibuild nga tayo ng credit. Kailangan pa mag-deposit dun sa Maya wallet ko ng 20,000 para para mag-deposit ako ng kanyang hinihinging security deposit. And after that, pag-click ng deposit, we're reviewing your application and it was instant. Pag-click ko ng done, approve ka agad yung credit card, pwede ko na siyang gamitin online. I'm now just waiting for the physical card to arrive sa aking doorstep. So, you can track kung asan na yung card. For Metro Manila, delivery takes a shorter time. Pero for outside Metro Manila, it could take up to 10 business days. Bago guys, mapataas yung kilay nyo kasi may nagsasabi na pag nag-deposit ka daw, parang ginigisa mo yung sarili mo sa sarili mo mantika. Okay. My first secured credit card, parang ganito rin yung idea, is with Metrobank. Nag-apply ako ng secured credit card kasi hindi ako makapasa sa kahit na anong credit card company because of a bad credit history. So, nag-secured credit card ako to build credit. Yung maganda lang sa Metrobank is that kung magkano yung deposit mo, yun din yung magiging credit limit mo. 35,000 po yung din-deposit ko. And I had to wait for 3 weeks. Kasi i-review pa ng bangko yan. Kahit na secured credit card na nga, nag-deposit ka na, magre-review pa si bank. Ito instant. And Maya is legit. It's regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, so it's safe, I think, for me. At least ito, automatic. Mag-deposit ka lang. Walang kahirap-hirap. Yun nga lang, 80% lang yung magagamit mo. So, since nag-deposit ako ng 20, the bank will hold on to that 20,000 pesos and I can use it revolving yung 16,000. For convenience sake, guys, okay na siya. I know, may iba, medyo bitter at ayaw sa ganitong idea, but here, credit card ko with Metrobank is a secured credit card kung saan nag-deposit ako ng 35,000 pesos. Well, para ma-release yan guys at ma-convert as a regular credit card, kailangan ko pang itawag sa branch yan. Kailangan ko pang kausapin yung manager ko. But because of that, nagkaroon ako ng chance na magkaroon ng regular credit card. So that's the beauty of having a secured credit card. So if you have a bad credit history or if you have medyo baby pa yung credit history mo, give a secured credit card a try. And dito sa Maya, it's so easy to have. Give it a try, guys. And it's your stepping stone towards, opportunities to get better financial products na hindi ka pa qualified ngayon. It's better than the OLAs na pa 7 days at ang laki ng interest. So why not, diba? I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!